Good communication has many success stories, even when it comes to data. Let me explain by using this coffee shop as an example. Here I am, ordering coffee. This should be both fast and easy. Uh-oh. That's a lot of people. Who ordered a soy milk latte, and why are people in the back starting to look angry? Okay, now just imagine this. Instead of a coffee shop with its orders and customers, we could be talking about a web shop on Black Friday, the communication between machines in an industry, or vital updates in health journals. These are systems that are expected to work no matter what. Something is needed to handle all those orders in the coffee shop. It needs a message queue. Now, the orders are converted into job instructions and added to the queue. The cashier only needs to focus on taking new orders, while the barista receives the order from the queue, delivers the coffee, and proceeds. Another barista is also called in to assist. We're ensuring all information is handled and can add more workers if needed. Despite an unexpected rush, all coffee drinkers will leave happy, and the expectations of thousands of systems can be met. Even when there are millions of coffees, I mean messages, to be delivered.